We remember India's biggest bull, Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, today on his birth anniversary. He passed away in August 2022. He would have been 64 today. Jhunjhunwala was not only the eternal optimist, he was also a master at predicting what no one else could see back then. NDTV Profit spoke to Rakesh Jhunjhunwala about his learnings from Jhunjhunwala.
First, to come back to my grandchildren, as I've often told you, I really enjoy my time with Veer and Arna, and unfortunately, he didn't get that much quality time that he would have hoped to and not see his kids grow up. That is also a real privilege in life. I've learned a lot from Rakesh Bhaiya and from a lot of other mentors in the stock market. And one of the things was, of course, backing up the truck and buying it. And while I'm getting incrementally better, have I been able to be a good pupil to his teachings? I probably haven't. I probably have fallen short. He would have been happy, but he wouldn't have been overjoyed because, I've still come from a background where, you're plagued with doubt, whether this will work or not work, whether there'll be a party or there won't be a party, whether the bull market is sustained or not sustained. But Rakesh never booked any doubts. He was so clear in his thinking, so clear in his thought. When he put money on the table, he had complete confidence in the promoter, in the company, in the business, Well, I am plagued a little by self-doubt. So while I think if I give myself marks, have I gotten better? Yes. Am I at the level I should be? No.
Now, everything Rakesh Jhunjhunwala touched turned to gold. At least it seems that way now. My colleague Harsh takes us through the Ace Investors portfolio, which is now held by his wife, Rekha.
Greatest investor of all time, and pretty much very little argument there, given the kind of returns he's achieved and the kind of capital that he started with. Therefore, would not do justice if we don't pull up his current portfolio. Of course, most investors most interested in the current portfolio of his. And Titan, no surprise there, but Tata Motors, well, a six-bagger over the last 5 years, in fact, less than 5 years. Tata Motors has been a standout. Canara Bank is much more than a doubler. And among other very solid holdings, CRISIL and Star Health as well. Star Health since listing has not done much and therefore that kind of a return. But you look at something like a Tata Communications and the kind of returns that one as well as Escorts has given. Really standout returns over the last 5 years. DB Realty also featuring a 15 to 16x just in terms of returns that he's made on DB Realty, among, of course, other stocks. You've also seen his investments in Sun Pharma, Geojit. He, of course, exited one of his investments as well, Lupin, and that was the other one which is noteworthy among the large ones. ConAgra also making it to this list.